Automated targeting allows Amazon to do the heavy lifting for you. It uses Amazon's advanced algorithms to automatically match your ads to relevant search terms and products. This is a great option for beginners or those looking to save time. It's efficient and can help you discover new keywords you might not have thought of. On the other hand, manual targeting gives you full control. You can select specific keywords and products you want to target. This method is ideal if you have a clear understanding of your target audience and want to fine-tune your campaign for better precision. It allows for more strategic bidding and can potentially lead to higher conversion rates if done correctly. So, which one should you choose? If you're just starting out or looking for a hands-off approach, automated targeting is a good choice. It's also useful for discovering new keywords, but if you have experience and want to optimize your ads for maximum performance, manual targeting offers the control you need. Ultimately, combining both strategies can be highly effective. Start with automated targeting to gather data and insights. Then switch to manual targeting to refine and enhance your campaigns based on that information. Remember, successful advertising on Amazon often requires testing and tweaking. So, don't be afraid to experiment with both methods to see what works best for your products.